In our water and in the air, and Vermont state health leaders are reaching out to one particular community about this. Local 22's Mike Hoey joins us live in the studio now to describe what happened exactly in Marshfield.
Well, Lauren, high levels of uranium in drinking water increase the risk of kidney damage, and high levels of radon gas in the air raise the risk of lung cancer. The state experts are trying to help people in Marshfield avoid those risks. Elevated radon levels were recently found in the basement air of the Marshfield Municipal Building. That issue was on the Marshfield Select Board's agenda for last week. A Linden man says he's concerned about radon levels in his home.
I understand that radon is the second leading cause of lung cancer, and I'm not a smoker, so I don't have to worry about what I think is the first, which is smoking. And I don't want to get lung cancer from the second one. I want to be healthy.
Vermont health officials held a public forum Wednesday night at the Jaquish Library inside the Marshfield Municipal Building, which had the radon levels.
I'd like to know more information. Is the detector I used reliable, or do I need remediation? This actionable level, who said that?
The Environmental Protection Agency set that, but uranium might also be present in the water. The Vermont Department of Health says the bedrock underneath the soil here in the Marshfield area contains uranium, which is not only radioactive itself, but also naturally breaks down into other radioactive elements, including radon. With that in mind, Vermont has a new law this year. If you install a new well at your home or you make your existing well deeper, you're now required to test the water before using it. And a state health department official suggests that everyone with a well follow suit.
If you're drinking water from a private source, there's no one telling you to test it and treat it, but we do recommend it because there's all these naturally occurring contaminants throughout Vermont. And the only way to know that your water's safe is to test it.
Health officials say 90% of the wells in the Marshfield area have never been tested. And what if there's an issue in your well?
We recommend talking to a professional water treatment specialist. They are trained to install treatment at the house, and they will look at all the water quality parameters.
Well, air test kits are available free of charge, while a water test kit costs a little less than $200. If you go to our website right now, mychamplainvalley.com, we have more information there about how you can get either of them. Live in the studio, Mike Hoey, Local 22 News.
Thank you, Mike. That is scary stuff. I grew up in Pennsylvania, and we had issues with radon in our home, and it can be scary because it's odorless.
A lot of people hoping to get some information tonight.
Yeah.
Another New England death